Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to find and view all the passwords saved on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. With the release of iOS 18, Apple has moved all saved passwords to a decided app called passwords. Here is how to locate your passwords. Swipe from the right to left on your home screen until you reach the app library. In the search bar, type passwords and open the app when it appears. Once you're in the password app, you'll see several options. Search bar. Use this to quickly find specific password for website, apps or accounts. All passwords. Tap here to view a complete list of your saved passwords, including Wi-Fi networks. Wi-Fi only. If you want to see just your saved Wi-Fi password, select this option. Security breaches. The app flags any compromised passwords under security. You'll get details about potential breaches and tips on updating your passwords and shared groups. At the bottom, you'll find a feature to create groups for sharing password with friends, family or colleagues. They can also share password with your hair. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!